Hey guys, I don't know if you've seen in my other videos, but this is my current drip system I have on the west side area. I got these risers here with a union built in, so in case I ever have to change that top, I could just undo the union. But anyway, I want to mimic this kind of setup here on the other side of my house. Here I got a Hungarian chili pepper. This is my habanero plant. This is a Armageddon peppers. And over here are ghost peppers. No fruiting yet. And over here I got a small tomato plant. Let's whip on over to the other side. So I got a set of plants out here. Got jalapeno, some mini peppers, serranos, some more serranos, tomatoes. But the idea is to run this line all the way down to that new hose bib I just installed, and I'll probably put one of them risers probably in this area, and then run all the drip lines up here. All right, let's see what we got so far. I have these. So currently I have everything just dry fitted, but I have this multi-port valve that's going to supply all these plants right here. And down the line here, I got another one that will water these guys. And right here is the recommended 25 psi's for the drip system. Check this out, I got a ball valve. So if I want to water these manually, what I do is I cut this valve off, and now I only got water coming to this hose, and then I could water everything manually. This won't always be on because this is all going to be operated with the smart valve that I'm going to install way over here. This will all be painted the color of the home. And here we got the valve. Well, I don't have it yet, I ordered it. But what I'm going to do is put a smart valve here and tap into all this. This still needs to be cut to size and glued. And if this will last me a couple years, I don't know if this is recommended to be out in the open like that, but whatever. I can get a couple years out of it. I'm okay. And if I have to move it, no big deal. That's why I have everything in pots, because nothing's permanent here. So here we got some big beef tomatoes going. This one is my Roma plant, Roma tomatoes. That's about all the food I got so far. My serrano plant barely has, I think, one pepper right there. The jalapenos are flowering. Smart valve just arrived. I got a zone off. This is going to hook up through Home Assistant. It's in pairing mode already. Wow, that was quick. Sick. That was really fast. So we're going to put smart valve. So I'm waiting for the hose splitter to arrive from Amazon, and Nothing yet. So I painted everything and just waiting on that. So the conclusion of this part here will have to be another time. Hey guys, I'm back. The valve came in finally. Got it all hooked up here. So I got a splitter here, and I have this in case I want to put a hose in. So it comes out. I still gotta paint that there. This is a new smart valve, sewn off I think. So I got it hooked up to Home Assistant. Anyway, I have this on, and let's go try it out. And this all works through Home Assistant, so let's give it a shot. First, let's try out the water hose. I'll turn this off. And I have it here listed as smart valve. Turned on. You see it's yellow there. So that should be the hose only. There we go, we got water. I already watered these. And now we turn that valve on. Should go to the drip system. There you go. So for starters, I only have one line hooked up, which is right here. And we got drip. We'll shut it off. There you see it turn off. And then that will stop running. What I like about these valves is they have individual volume settings here. So even though I have only this one hooked up, I turned all these off. That's what I like about these. You could adjust the volume of the water here also. Still gotta hook those guys up, and those are gonna run here. Overall, pretty successful. I'm happy with it. If you guys have any questions about anything I used, just leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. I appreciate you watching. Thank you. You know, I wanted to show you something else on here. See these little gauges? These are my smart moisture meters. So these are the plants on this side of the house. These are the plants on the other side of the house. And this one here is my tomatoes. I just watered them. They're 77%. These ones are at 100, but that was 7 hours ago. And this just gives me a sort of a threshold. It's not 100% correct, but definitely lets me know when they're dry. So that's what I like about this feature in Home Assistant.